Good morning. You're Melissa Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Taylor was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty in cause number 24 DCCR 2177 to the second-degree felony offense of assault on a peace officer, and in cause number 24 DCCR 2311 to the state jail felony offense of credit or debit card abuse. The agreement was a cap of 5 years in the assault and a cap of 12 months in the debit or credit card abuse. I've received the pre-sentence report. Have you all had an opportunity to review that report?
We have.
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
Are there any additions or corrections?
None from the judge.
Not from the state judge.
All right, Mr. Kimler, you may proceed.
Your Honor, I'm anticipating Mr. Nichols' argument. I would first want to address the incident reports from the jail that have been attached to the PSI report, and then also reference.
Her defense attorney drops a key argument: credibility. When jail reports are part of the pre-sentence investigation, the defense must raise concerns about not being able to cross-examine the witnesses. Smart move or just damage control? You decide.
In the PSI report, of course, it's difficult for me to assess the credibility of those without the opportunity to confront and cross-examine the witnesses, but taking them at their face value in here, it, of course, indicates a pattern of behavior that Ms. Taylor exhibited in jail that shows that she was not compliant. I would observe, though, that there is no write-up subsequent to July of 2024. I think she went back into custody in April of 2025 and has had no incident reports since then. I've been speaking with Ms. Taylor and trying to understand what was going on in the jail. I think that she was struggling with mental health issues while she was in jail during this stay when she accumulated these write-ups. She indicated that
Seroquel, lithium, and more. That's not a prescription list, it's a warning sign. The courtroom quietly pivots here from punishment to treatment, and we're seeing the system at a crossroads: accountability versus rehabilitation.
she was, after an assessment, psychological assessment, she was on around 5 different medications, including Seroquel,
Seroquel, trazodone, and lithium,
but
Paladol.
a veritable cocktail of psych meds during this
Judge,
time
not
period.
to derail Mr. Kimler, I'm kind of in agreement after reviewing the PSI that what she needs is treatment and mental health.
Okay.
So
Okay,
that,
well,
that may make the court's decision.
I'll cut that short there. And,
Okay,
we'll
that's-
defer to.
Now Melissa speaks, and this is where things get raw. Keep your ears open, because this isn't just a statement, it's her redemption arc. Or at least, she hopes it is.
She wanted to address the court, and I'll defer.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I just wanted to piggyback off that. Those were during a state of psychosis with the meds that I was on. That this last 4 months that I've spent in jail, I've put myself through basically a mental rewiring of my brain chemistry through the literature that I'm reading, and I've had a lot of success with my behavior. My son has been reintegrated into my life again without his father. The family that has him, we're in contact every day, which has been tremendous for my mental health, and is a key aspect as a woman yourself, but I'm sure mom. He was my identity for 12 years. And when he was taken, I lost my identity, and that was a huge part of this last year. But I don't want to look at this last year as being a victim. I want to be victorious over this and really turn this mess into a message. And I just hope that I get to be integrated back into society.
She is. What is the bed you're on now that's helping?
I'm on oxycarbazine, just one medication now is all they have me on, and so it's been,
It's a mood stabilizer.
yeah, it's just a mood stabilizer.
All right, well, here's what I'm inclined to do. Obviously, you were having the mental health issues and self-medicating
Yes,
with
absolutely.
just about everything. It's okay. And so if I'm going to feel comfortable giving you a probation, it's going to be with some treatment, obviously. So I'm going to find in cause number 242177, find that you entered your plea freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to defer all proceedings in that case for a period of 10 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine, follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, and I'm going to go over some of those special conditions in just a minute.
Probation granted, but it's no walk in the park. The judge introduces the Special Needs Safety Program, a dual track for drugs and mental health. This sentence is more about structure than sanctions.
In cause number 242311, also find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to defer all proceedings in that case, place you on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine in that case as well and follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. One of those conditions is that you enter and successfully complete the Special Needs Safety Program. So that's a kind of a dual program where you're going to get help for any type of drug issues that you have in addition to mental health care. Once you get out, you'll be on probation and you'll be able to hopefully have the follow-up treatment, follow all of those rules, and be on the way to doing exactly what you're saying.
If I might, she has pending cases in Fort Bend County, and she'd have to resolve those before she gets.
Do they have a hold on her?
Yes, sir.
All right, well then, so what'll happen is you'll go to Fort Bend County, resolve those, and then you'll have to go to safety after that, okay? So the sooner you get over there, resolve that, the sooner you can get to Special Needs Safety, and get back out and on track to do, again, what you say you want to do, okay?
There's no way that I could, that's it, like, in,
Yes, ma'am.
um,
It's the only way with this cap and with the history and with what's been going on that I feel comfortable. It's not meant to necessarily be a punishment. It is treatment up front so you can be successful.
you said it was 90 days.
6 months.
This is more,
months.
yeah, I think it's closer to 180.
With
Okay.
aftercare.
And then the aftercare is out, but you'll go to halfway out. You'll go, there's some step down after you get out where you'll be out doing different things, but following some very strict rules for aftercare, okay? So I'm going to hand you the trial court certification in each of your cases that shows that these were agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.